Man, welcome to Big Daddy's Cooking Show. Welcome to Big Daddy's Show. Okay, I just want to let you know the purpose of this show is to introduce new chefs. Welcome to Big Daddy Kitchen. Today we're going to do a segment outside. I got a little prime rib that's on, pre-sliced that is, and I got it with that top Texas spice on top of it, all over it, been marinating. Got a little sauce, a little booty in here. Come take a look. Man, welcome to Big Daddy's Cooking Show. Today, you know what's on the agenda? Because we've been watching football. Of course, my team lost. We're going to have some nachos. Alright, welcome to Big Daddy's Cooking Show. Today, I'm cooking for my family. I have 3 leg quarters. I have half of a medium onion. I cut up some bell pepper. And you'll notice I have red, orange, and green. And I also have some celery in there. And I'm going to massage my chicken with some olive oil. And last but the special, if you don't know, now you know. You don't want to do anything without that top Texas spice. I'm telling you. Nothing tastes good without the top Texas spice, baby. Today we're going to do some salmon. And you know the 4th best place to get salmon from is Alaska. Today what we have on the menu, we're going to do some cheeseburgers, okay? So I got my ground meat right here. I got some fries. And I'm going to do those lazy fries. And what I mean by lazy fries, frozen fries. So right now, I'm seasoning with this top Texas spice. Yes, and I've been in the lab working on these seasonings, and they'll be coming to you real soon. Being so cold outside, we're gonna make some chili today, okay? Look at that, that look amazing. Man, welcome to Big Daddy's Cooking Show. Y'all thought I wasn't doing that for Easter? What's wrong with y'all? But first, I'd like to thank the Almighty God for giving us the opportunity to shoot my show. Thank you for my family, my friends. Without this sunshine, we wouldn't have any of this abundant life. So let's get with it. So today what I got on the smoker is some ribs. And those ribs I had seasoned last night with that top Texas spice. So look at those ribs with that top Texas spice on there. Oh my God. Now this is what your ribs supposed to look like, baby. Guess what's on the agenda today? Chicken fajitas. And there it is, folks. That's the finished product. They're cooking some pork chops, but not your normal pork chops. You know what I'm gonna do? I got that top Texas spice I'm gonna put on top of it, and I'm gonna drizzle it with some olive oil. But we're gonna use some pork rind. All right, let's see what we're working with here. Ooh. You know what we're gonna do today? We got something on the line of the etouffee. But I'm gonna use shrimp and I'm gonna put sausage in mine. And you know what? Let's get started. Ooh, look at that. Man, welcome to Big Daddy's Cooking Show. You thought I wasn't doing nothing for the Super Bowl? What's wrong with you? We in Tampa, Florida. So we got some wings we finna get with. We finna stuff some jalapenos. This is how you want your chicken, golden brown. All right, let's see how these peppers came out. Ooh, beast in it. So right now I'm gonna put that top Texas spice on my steaks. T-bone steaks, that is. That's the finishing touches right there, baby. Now that's how you do a steak. Green beans and some loaded potatoes.